Show off your colorful side with this super fun silhouette from New Balance. This great sneaker shows off a great 80s vibe. It has a textured textile upper that's blue and purple with synthetic overlays that have a bubble texture wrapping around the toe for durability and support. The heel also has a textured grip acting as a great counter to give you a very lockdown fit on the inside, courtesy of that thick foam on the ankle. It's an easy lace up in that easy style to give it a secure fit, and the foam footbed in the bottom is going to give you some extra cushioning. The midsole is made with fresh foam. It's very dense and rebounding material, giving you lots of cushioning and support with every step. And the outsole is made with man-made New Balance rubber, giving it lots of grip with a little bit of flex in the toe.